Hello everyone. In last video I created a free instance in Google Cloud. Today I'm going to use that instance, install WordPress, include Apache, PHP, MySQL, and configure that site. So let's start. First, let's make sure all the packages are up to date. Okay. Now the instance I use is F1 micro. It's very small, minimum resources. So to boost up the performance, I will install 1G swap memory here. Okay. Install stack. Other required PHP modules. Switch to root now, so don't have to type sudo all the time. Create MySQL database, name DB name, just for demonstration purpose. Create user, grant permission, choose a strong password for root, give it yes. Oh yes, done. Now configure Apache. Oops. Okay, copy from the default to the domain name. That normally I use the domain name as the site of configure file name. Here is example my site.com.conf and edit it. Edit this portion. Add this section here. put your domain name here, which is mysite.com, for example, and new server alias. That's it. CD. This is gonna be your root directory of the content. Download WordPress, extract it, remove tar. Now for more organized purpose, we move this WordPress to WP with the release number. Currently is 5.5, and we make it link P to P, so this way look more clean and organized. Now cdwp, we copy the sample file to wp-config.php, and that's vi wp config.php. Now remember, we create WordPress database and username password. We're gonna change it here. It's db name wp user wp pass. In here we can generate the Frisco's tool. Go to the site to generate the new salt. Copy it. Replace this original one in here. That's it. This is the config of the WP config. Now let's go to this directory bi.htaccess. Put this content here. Replace my site.com domain with your registered domain name, and this is the directory, the symlink I just made. Now give the ownership and the correct permission for the directory under here. Now let's enable the read-write module and restart Apache. Disable the default site, enable my site, and then reload. Now if you type the IP, public IP in the browser, you should see this. You can go to the site and start to configure. And I'm gonna my site, username, password, give it a password. Let's see. Eek. It's okay, just for demonstration. Confirm your email. Search for engine visibility. Discourage, install WordPress. There you go. Logging. Here you go. You logged in now. First, let's go to setting. Here you put my site and my site. You can update later and feel free to see this tagline and the time, name, give, okay. Done. So per link, I would change it to the post name. That look more easier to access your post. Now you see this mysite.com. Hello world, this is your first post. Here if you see this not secure, that's because we're using HTTP instead of HTTPS. In next video I'll show you how to configure so we can use HTTPS in our site. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.